Look, finding the best power tower online is a nightmare because they all look the same in photos. But once you actually get them in your garage, the differences are huge. I spent the last month putting these 5 through the ringer, doing hundreds of pull-ups and dips to see which ones actually stay still and which ones shake like crazy.
Product number 1. Sports Royals Power Tower. When I first unboxed the Sports Royals, the P-shaped base immediately stood out. It's wider than most, and once I got it together, it felt incredibly rigid. I'm a bigger guy, and hitting pull-ups on this felt safe because the commercial-grade steel doesn't have that cheap, hollow flex. I really like the 10-degree incline on the armrests. It sounds like a small detail, but it actually keeps your elbows from sliding out during leg raisins. The backrest has 5 different adjustment levels, which was great for me because I could actually set it to support my lower back properly. Assembly only took me about 30 minutes with the tools they sent. If you're looking for a professional gym-grade feel without spending $1,000, this is the one I'd put in my own house. It's built like a tank and handles heavy daily use without any issues.
Product number 2. Relife Rebuild Your Life Power Tower. The first thing I noticed with the Relife was the suction cups on the bottom. I tested this on a flat garage floor, and those cups really bite down, which killed almost all the wobbling during aggressive dips. It's rated for 400 pounds, and while I'm not quite there, it felt rock solid when I was doing weighted chin-ups. One thing that's pretty cool is how the height goes low enough for kids to use. My nephew actually tried it out, and it was the only one that didn't feel dangerously tall for him. The steel tubing is noticeably thick, and the safety lock nuts give me some peace of mind that nothing is going to vibrate loose over time. It's a bit more compact than the Sports Royals, so if your workout space is tight, like a bedroom corner or a small apartment, this is a fantastic choice that won't take over the room.
Product number 3. Bang Tong & Lee Power Tower. This Bang Tong & Lee tower is what I'd call the essential setup. It doesn't have as many bells and whistles, but it gets the job done. While I was testing it, I noticed the handrails have this high-density foam that's actually really grippy, even when my hands got sweaty. It's a bit lighter than the first 2, but the non-slip nuts kept everything tight during my circuit. I did notice it has 6 height settings, so you can tuck it under a lower ceiling if you're working in a basement. The elbow pads are thick enough that my joints didn't bottom out against the metal during knee raises. It's rated for 330 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for most people starting their fitness journey. If you just want a reliable station for the basics, pull-ups, dips, and push-ups, and you want to save some cash, this is the most straightforward pick.
Product number 4. Jeskuzi Power Tower. Jeskuzi went heavy on the adjustments here. When I was setting it up, I counted 13 different height positions. That's wild because it means you can find that perfect spot where your feet aren't hitting the floor, but your head isn't hitting the ceiling. The H base on this one felt very stable, especially during rows. I also noticed the hand spacing is a bit wider, which gave my shoulders more room during dips. They even threw in some pull-up ropes, which I used for some face pulls and curls. It's a nice little bonus you don't usually see. The frame is commercial-grade steel, and it definitely felt like it could handle the 450-pound limit they claim. If you're either really tall or really short, the massive adjustment range on this model makes it the most versatile one for getting your form exactly right.
Product number 5. Pubu Power Tower with Folding Bench. The Pubu is a bit of a Swiss Army knife. The standout feature is obviously the folding bench that comes attached. I used it for some dumbbell presses and then just flipped it up when I wanted to do pull-ups. It's a massive space saver. But what really surprised me was the rock climbing grips on the top bar. Instead of just a straight pipe, it has these textured holds that really toasted my forearms and grip strength. It also comes with elastic power ropes for some low-impact resistance work. The base is extended, so even with the bench folded out, it didn't feel like it was going to tip over. If you're trying to build a full-body gym in a tiny apartment, this is the best value because it replaces a bench and a pull-up station in one footprint. Outro. Those are the 5 that actually survived my testing. Whether you need something for a small apartment or a heavy-duty garage setup, one of these will definitely do the trick. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know.